In this video, I am going to show you how I was able to close out over $53,000 on Reddit shares alone in just the past 3 months. Now, we were calling this out on X going all the way back until May as well as April. Now, the reason that we got into this position is the same reason that we get into every single position, because our system said that this was a very good time to be entering. Now, if you want to get access to the Smart Money Zone indicator as well as the volume profile indicator, you can get our entire trading system completely for free. Link is in the description. All 12 courses and indicators are free. Now, when trading our system, there's basically a couple of requirements that we are looking for. Two major things have to happen. First, price needs to pull back into this smart money zone. This means that price action is trading still within bullish structure. And more importantly, it means that we are trading at a massive discount. In this case, 80% of the recent range. And it's in our Smart Money Mastery course that we show you how to spot these levels. When price pulls back into this support, this is normally going to be where we want to start accumulating a position, or at the very least, adding it to our watch list. You can see the price pulled back into that $90 level, bounced to perfection off of that smart money zone. And then what we want from that point is the BX trender, which is this indicator at the bottom of your screen, which shows buy sell pressure, to stop making lower lows, to stop showing price is selling off of a cliff, and instead to make higher lows or light red, which means that buyers are stepping in. And that's exactly what ended up happening here, which is why we ended up really adding this to our watch list end of April into early May. Now, I want you to understand something. When we take a position, first of all, we're not looking to make money. I know that might sound counterintuitive, but what I mean by that is our win rate historically is only 62%. So every time I take a trade, I'm not expecting that the next one is going to be a winner. And a great example of this is if we actually go back, I shared in May, I actually took an $8,000 loss on Reddit. And then once my criteria was met again, I entered right back into the position. So if we go back here, you can see the BX trender is showing higher lows, which is exactly what we want. We were in this position at the time, and then price sells off. And this is our exit signal. This is why we took that $8,000 loss. But just because we took a loss doesn't mean that if our criteria is met again, that we simply cannot get back into the position. And that's exactly what happened. We ended up getting back into this position right here on 623. So we get right back into this position. Price is now pushing up into this resistance. And for those of you who use our Traders Helping Traders volume profile indicator, which is free, and there's a free course going over it right here in the description, you know that when we push into these major areas of resistance on this volume profile, that the gap fill, or this thin area of volume on the volume profile to $170, will fill very, very quickly. If that resistance actually breaks through, that move will happen so fast. And that's exactly what happened. We swept that level. Price broke out to absolute perfection. And the one thing that you'll notice is the entire time, this BX trender right here continued to show higher highs, continued to show a breakout. And that's why we continued to hold on to this trade week after week, month after month. Now, I finally took profits today. The main reason for that is because even though the BX trender is still green, on the daily chart before this morning, when I closed it, I closed the rest of my shares earlier this morning, we had broken our ATR trailing stop loss. Now, what we normally use is this THT ATR trailing stop loss as our reason to get out of a position. So as long as the daily is holding over this trailing stop loss, I will continue to hold on to a position, because it means that we're still trending to the upside and that buyers still are holding the trend. And that's exactly what happened. Now, I did get another trigger from our trading bots to get back into this position because price could run another 20%. But as of right now, I have fully closed out my position, and I'm very happy with this setup. Something to note right now, as far as where Reddit is headed, is that we need to end up holding this support here of basically $200. We have this support shelf here on the volume profile. And if 210, really 210, I'm sorry, not 200. If 210 breaks, that's when we could see price continue to move its way back down to maybe 170 or 160. But I'm very happy with this trade. I'm very happy with my performance overall this month, from being down $171,000 the first month of this, or the first day of this month, to now being up $100,000. I couldn't be happier. As always, guys, from the bottom of my heart, thank you all for your time, energy, and support. If you want to learn our trading strategy for free, the link to our 12-step masterclass series is down in the description, where you can get access to all of our indicators, as well as learn how to read charts, find out exactly why we enter and exit positions, and learn how to trade options responsibly.